Hello friends, thank you for supporting our channel and please continue visit my daughter's video and support her. And many thanks for supporting us.
So wondering why my mom is suddenly giving the intro? Well, she was really happy and I was also actually happy to see your guys' support, and we also got 700 subs, and so this was a little try for from her. Thank you, Wish, and I also thank you guys for the for giving us 700 subs. Now let's start with today's topic. So, well, if you have seen my previous maths riddle videos or any maths tricks videos or abacus videos, you can, if you have not seen, you can just go on the I button and just go see one video. Now today we are going to be doing something different. We are going to be learning squares. Well, of course we can learn squares in abacus in a more easier process, but until and unless you learn multiplication, you can't learn squares in abacus. So I will teach you guys multiplication and abacus later, but for today I'm just going to be using a normal trick method to do those 72 square, 36 square, 25 square really quickly. Now let's get started. So now we will first start first of all I will say that there is 3 ways that you can do 2 digits squares, okay? So first of all, this is the first way. So basically what you will do. And so first we are going to be trying out the numbers which are more than 50. So for example 52 square, okay? So 52 square. So now to do this, which we are going to be doing, we just need to remember the number 25, okay? Now if the digit we have is more than 50, then we need to add 25, and if the digit is less than 50, then we need to do minus 25. But for now we need not worry about the minus 25, just think about the plus 25. So first of all what we need to do is draw 2 spaces like that, 2 blank dashes to be specific. And now what we are going to be doing is what is 2 square or 2 twice? 4, we all know that, right? So we are going to be writing 4. Now since 4 is 1 digit number, we need to make a 2 digit number here. So to make it a 2 digit number, we are just going to be adding a 0. So now what we are going to be doing is that how much more is 52 more than 50? I can see that 52 minus 50 is 2, means 52 is greater 2 times than 50, right? So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be adding 2 and 25. So what is 2 plus 25? We all know it is 27. So we are going to be writing 27 here, and so our square is 2704. You can check it if you want in the calculator. And now let's get on to with another example for more clarification. So what we are going to be doing is another example. So suppose this example we take 58, okay? 58 square, okay? So now first of all we are going to be drawing 2 spaces, right? Remember? And now what is 8 twice? 64. So it is already a 2 digit number. We need not add a 0. Sorry. Let's make the digits a little bit bigger for a better vision. The camera doesn't hold such small letters, So anyways, now how much is 58 more than 50? We can see 8, right? So what we are going to be doing is adding 25 with 8. Now why are we adding this? Because the digit is more than 50. If it was less than 50, we would be subtracting it. Now 25 plus 8 is how much? 33. So we are going to be writing 33 here, and so 58 square is 3364. You can again check if you want to. Now let's get on to with the less than 50. So now we are going to be starting with the less than 50 digits. So 48 is one less than 50 digit, right? So what is 48? 48 square. Okay. So now just like this we are going to be adding two blanks here. So now instead of plusing 25, like adding 25, we are going to be subtracting 25. Now first of all now how much? So this was how much the digit is more than 50. This one will be how much the digit is less than 50. Since the digit is less than 50, so we can see it is 2 less than 50, right? So what we are going to be doing is minusing 2 from 25. But first of all we are going to be writing the 8 square here, which is 64. Okay, sorry, let's make it a little bigger again. 64. Now what is 25 minus 2? We all know 23. So 2, 3. So our answer is 2364. So 48 square is 2364. Now let's get on to with another example to make it more clear. So now what we are going to be doing is 46 square. So we're going to be making 2 dashes, and now what is 6 into 6? It is 36, right? So now so how much is 46 less than 50? 4. So we are going to be subtracting 4 from 25, which is 21. So our answer will be 2136. Again, you can check it in the calculator if you want to. Now let's get on to with the second way of solving these sums. So basically the second way, suppose we have a bigger number which is 72. Okay, 72 square. So in these numbers what we are going to be doing is adding 3 boxes like this. Okay. So now first of all I'm going to be checking what is 7 into 7? 49, right? So I'm going to be writing 49 right here. And now 2 into 2 is 4. Now so 0, 4. Now what we are going to be writing in the middle blank. Now what we are going to be doing is multiplying 7 into 2. And now we are also going to be multiplying this power of the number. So power is 2, as we can see. So what is 7 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 into 7 is 28. Okay. So now what we are going to be doing is writing the digit 28 here. So now I'm going to be just rubbing this. And now what we are going to be doing is adding these two digits. So 4, now since 0 plus 8 is 8. And now what we are going to be doing is we are going to be adding these 9 and 2 since it's the last and first digit, right? So what is 9 plus 2? 11. So we have 1 here and we have 1 here on the top because it was 11 2-digit numbers. So we will add here 1 with 4, so which makes 5184. So our 72 square is equal to 5184. So this was the second way you could solve much bigger numbers. So now we will be starting with the third way of solving these squares. Well, I will not recommend it as the third way, as basically using this method you can only find squares whose number has a 5 in their ones digit. For example, 15, 25, 35, 45, 65, 75, 85, 95. So now suppose we need to find 15 square. So how will we do that? We need to, first of all, we need to just write 25. Whenever we see a 2 digit, remember 2 digit with the number 5 in its ones place, we just need to write 25. That's 5 square is 25. So basically the second step, what comes after 1? We need to see what comes after like the digit before 5. So we can see the digit before 5 is 1. So what comes after 1 is 2. So basically what we need to do is like multiply the first, like the digit before 5 with the number that comes after it. So basically what comes after 1? 2. So 1 into, we will like multiply 1 and 2. So what is 1 into 2? 225. So 15 squares 225. Now basically, for example, I am taking 75 square. So what is 5? Like 5, since we see that the last digit on the ones digit it is 5, so we will just write 25, just like I said before. And now what comes after 7? 8. So 7 into 8, what is it? 56. Okay. And now finally, for example, I am taking 95. Okay. So what is 95 square? So basically I will again write 25, as we can see that on the ones digit 5 is written. And what comes after 9? 10. So what is 9 into 10? 90. So we will just place 90 here, and so 95 square is therefore 9025. So hope you guys liked the video, and if you have any doubts about the square tricks, you can easily write in the comments box. I will answer. And the first two like processes I taught you will be applicable for any squares, even these squares. You can try them out if you want to. But for the 5 squares, like the numbers with the ones digit containing 5, I would recommend you to use this method. I like the third way, for only the numbers which has a 5 in their ones digit. So basically it will be more easier for you to do these sums, like it will just come to your mind, pop up. So basically you just need to learn the tables. I'm sure you will guys be able to learn the tables. You can get it from internet, or well, you will be like learning them at school as well, or if you have like learned it already. So hope you guys like the video, and subscribe and press the bell icon, because I assure you I will be teaching you abacus, multiplication and squares, which is a lot more easier than these processes even. I'm gonna be like, if you like subscribe and like watch the video, share the video, like the video, I will bring a video of abacus, multiplication, then I will also teach you squares. So that's kind of a promise. So now I have talked really too much. Thank you for watching.